So, like other social media platform, LinkedIn is also a platform where you can promote your business and grow your connections. But it is a completely professional uh, platform. Compared
Corporate
to,
platform.
yes, I mean,
Acha, acha.
even like you're not you cannot sell anything, or you
I know,
can
I know.
find, yeah. So
Mm,
Facebook, Insta, I mean, like what kind of
mm.
promotions happen. But here you need to
Correct.
be quite aware. You can
Exactly.
sell, but in a way, as if you're promoting your business. You can create
Mm.
videos or your experience towards,
Ah, yeah.
okay, the
Correct.
motivational videos. So that is what the LinkedIn is all about. So
Mm.
LinkedIn is one of the most influential social media networks. Where similar to other social media channels, LinkedIn works on the principle of connecting professionals with each other. So as you are active, you must be aware about how it works.
Now, after this, it's not going to be active. I'm not going to be active.
Why?
I'm going to start my own business. So,
Hi, it's okay now, Vijay. See, even if you start your business, you
uh,
can create your company page, you can make aware about your services. It's not
okay.
like, even those who are into selling big brands, they also have
Mm,
the page. They also
okay.
promote, they have come up with new products or something. Because it's a
Mm,
very nice B2B, they do a very good business here.
mm,
And let me share you my experience. Like I have never approached to any companies till now. Okay.
mm, mm.
I have my registered on Naukri, Indeed, Shine.com, XYZ, but I
Mm.
have never received a call from them.
Acha,
All
acha.
the work or whatever I'm working now also I've received from LinkedIn.
No, for
Yes.
me also that is the case.
Yes.
In fact, it is rooted through LinkedIn only,
Yeah.
probably.
So it's
Mm.
like you will not believe, like, I will not forget, to check my LinkedIn every 2 hours. I
Acha,
don't know. I mean,
okay.
like, it's um sometime I might ignore Facebook, Insta, but
Mm,
no LinkedIn.
okay.
So all, I mean, like upgrad projects, fingertips, my captain,
Mm, mm,
then this two valley, you can say.
mm,
Then now
mm,
I'm training to Bombay colleges. Okay.
mm,
All
mm.
online. So all, I mean, like there is no reference. I have never approached any company, touch wood. Everything I've got is from LinkedIn. So it's one of very, very good platform
So
just
your
to,
Stuville is also there on LinkedIn now?
yes, yes.
Acha, acha.
So LinkedIn boosts your profile, builds
Mm,
awareness. So you, whatever, see, though you will enter your business, it's okay. But you never know. The business might come from anywhere. If you get, I mean, you have good connections.
mm,
So depends.
mm.
Okay. So you complete your profile, update whatever you are into, create your page, whatever add details about your page, everything, and then maybe so LinkedIn boosts your profile, builds awareness of your brand and help you to recruit the right people. So हो सकता है कि you might come up with branches of your branches, I mean, like of your brand in some
Yeah.
other cities. So you
Mm.
might require,
People.
definitely. So
Mm.
a basic LinkedIn account is free of charge. However, premium accounts offer extra features based on your needs. So like, Facebook, Insta, तो traffic है, but here all professional networking traffic, I mean, like you will not believe, like, people they spend hours on this platform.
Mm.
So
I know.
77 job applications submitted every second, 200 million plus job applications submitted every month, then 10 million plus members taking advantage of the open to work photo frame,
Mm.
then 45 million people using LinkedIn to search for job each week. Four people had every minute on LinkedIn. So just see, I mean, like how much the traffic is. So 800 million members, 57 million plus companies listed, then 120,000 schools listed and 38,000 skills listed. So depending upon your expertise, you never know. I mean, like even you might get a very good opportunity to work with a very good brand, or even you can promote your products. So check out these LinkedIn stats that further prove the power of the platform. In the last 12 months, 96% of B2B marketers use LinkedIn to distribute content. ठीक है. Source Content Marketing Institute. 80% of B2B marketers put paid behind their content on LinkedIn. Content marketing. LinkedIn makes up more than 50% of the all social traffic to B2B websites and blogs.
Mm. Mm.
Then 80% of B2B leads come from LinkedIn. So here you can trust because see on social media, Facebook and Insta, na, there are more scams happening, fraud happening. So some people might not
Correct.
trust.
Mm, mm,
Here it's like, again, brand reputation matters on this platform. So
mm,
people will even, if the salary is not credited in the company for 2 months, the employees they come up with, the so and so company. So people just, maintain their reputation here on this platform. On social media like Facebook, Insta, you speak whatever, they just care nothing.
correct.
So LinkedIn generates 3x more conversion than Twitter and Facebook.
Mm,
48% of its members influence business decisions at their company. LinkedIn drives maximum traffic to corporate websites when compared to all the social platforms. Platform to showcase careers and hire the right talent. Less chatter and more work here. Nobody cares what others are doing, what he's commenting, or what he's replying to that comment. Here it's like completely dedicated. I mean, yeah, on Insta and Facebook, see, more people will engage on videos, reels, and all. But
mm.
here they will not interact on those the long content. But here people they spend time to read the entire content. They will listen whatever you are saying or whatever you are speaking.
So that's because professional it is.
Yes, yes.
Mm,
So can build customer referrals. So LinkedIn profile. So you must be aware how to create the profile, everything. So
mm,
see, your profile should be updated. That is very much important. Whatever like you educational background, professional background, you need to have
mm.
a proper picture, professional picture with the background. Okay.
Okay.
Or background, then connection, everything. ठीक है, look then you need to have a page. Okay, without page you won't be able to run the campaign. So it's very much important for you to have a page on
A
LinkedIn.
business page.
Yes, business page.
Apart from my profile, I should have a separate business page.
Yes, yes. I'll show
Acha.
you where you can create the business page. So here when you click on the for
Mm,
business
mm.
down, create a company page.
Acha. Okay. Mm,
Here when you click on it, so it's a company showcase page or educational institute. So company page, add your details, logo of your company, everything. I mean, name of the company, LinkedIn page URL, profile URL, then website if you have website, industry, what a organization size, organization type, it's sole proprietor or whatever. Okay, then logo, tagline. Okay, and then verify that you have. Then after the page is created, add the
What is
description.
tagline? Okay. Use.
Tagline means like
Acha, acha. Okay, got it. Huh.
the
Right.
company is about
Oh, yeah, yeah. Okay,
the
got it. Okay.
software or you know
Mm,
it's
mm,
come of the same thing.
mm. Okay.
So every day you need to send at least 2 3 connections who are on, I mean, related to your profile, where you can get the business or you may get hired XYZ. So that way, you can increase your followers. So the more the connection,
No.
the more the reach.
What is it? You have to
I
send
mean,
two,
like
three.
send the connection. Suppose
Acha.
I'm a digital marketing trainer, so they recommend,
Mm.
notification, or they recommend ki you may follow this so and so. Okay,
Acha, acha.
follow this
Okay.
person. So as per that, you can.
But my intention is that in this I'll be following them as to to get leads only. So it's
Yes, huh? Maybe I
yeah,
mean like because see when they will view
business
your
perspective
profile,
only. Acha,
when they will view your profile,
acha.
maybe they might be interested because see, like I'm a digital marketing trainer, so I'll be approaching all the institute. I follow
Hmm.
all the institutes or I follow all digital marketers,
Hmm.
digital marketing trainers. Maybe if
Okay.
there is any requirement or any vacancy, so they can get in touch with me. So like
Acha, acha. Okay.
yeah, like this
Hmm.
when you get a recommendation,
Hmm.
then you can connect. At least we need to make a habit. At least we need to connect at least 2 to 3
Hmm.
connections every day. So then you can increase your followers. So I have around 1700 followers as of now. See,
Acha, acha.
1700 connections I have. So being active is not, I mean, like,
So on the LinkedIn page, if it is updated, also it's still people will be able to view it, right?
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Huh. Okay. So you can generate followers through there also.
Yes, 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 definitely. And see, when you create a page, definitely you'll be updating about your business, whatever services.
Correct.
You
Yes.
can share your testimonials about your services.
Mm, mm, mm,
Only thing is, see, I'm buying and selling means some people who are doing, online business,
mm,
selling
mm,
first copy bags or selling
mm.
kurtis or these
No,
things, cannot do
this
it.
is not buying. Okay,
Yes,
okay.
this is
Mm,
not buying. I mean, like you can share your business, whatever your
mm,
business you have, whatever
mm,
services you're providing, you can speak about them. You suppose you organized an event or suppose you did something, so you can come up with your about your
mm.
company, nothing else. So ways to get good traffic from LinkedIn is complete and optimize your profile. Okay, your banner, your logo, your picture, professional picture, everything should be there. Okay, optimize it. Summarize your profile well. Suppose you get a call from any person, okay, who is looking for so and so services, and if he calls you, yeah, I've got a, I mean, are you into so and so? So you should be like, yes. नहीं तो
Mm,
फिर हम बोलेंगे अरे नहीं I was working now I am not working so you shouldn't be blank. So
correct. Mm,
yeah. So you summarize your profile well, grow your network. As I said, get connected, reach to
mm.
3 to 4 people. Just give me 1 minute, Vijay. I'll be
Yeah, yeah.
back.
Mm, mm, mm. Yeah, na. Mm. Plus, within that.
Okay. So grow your network, give and receive recommendation and endorsements.
15 minutes.
Okay. Then use LinkedIn groups. Join all the
Okay.
groups. As we join Facebook groups, the
Mm,
same thing. Wait, I'll show you like this. If you go to business. See this groups. You will get all the list of groups. Discover groups. For example, if I want to marketing, say digital marketing. See these are all groups. So like that, as per your profession, if any group might help you, so you can get connected with them. Join all the groups. Just see how they are promoting their products, how they are doing the business. Okay.
correct.
Even if you
Mm,
can monitor, it will help you. Okay, what kind of content they're using to promote. Okay. And how, in what way, I mean, like they're getting the business. So you can check. So the same thing is on Facebook also. You can join all the groups. And suppose you want to post, you can post about your business on these groups also.
understood. Got it.
Okay, then produce engaging content,
Okay.
boost your organization profile. Okay, observe professional etiquette. I mean, like,
So what
when
is boosting organization profile?
that's what I mean. Like, keep speaking about. See, if your
Acha, acha. Okay. Hmm.
profile is complete, okay, then ask them to come and like my page as we do on Facebook. Like
Okay.
my page, subscribe my page.
Hmm.
That is what you are asking everyone to
Acha.
doing that. So
Okay.
learn from good other profiles. So just check others' profile, how they have created, what kind of how they have created the banner, how they're getting the business, everything. So as per that, you can improve your reach. And professional etiquette we need to maintain. I mean, like if anyone who is speaking anything negative about a company, it's not that we need to, backfire, or you need to answer it very calmly,
Politely,
politely.
correct.
Yeah. Sorry for the inconvenience or whatever. I mean, like we can connect on a
Hmm.
call to have, so a salesperson might contact. So same thing. I mean, like on these discipline, you won't get it on social media. I mean, like Facebook, Insta.
Correct.
People, they will just keep on talking
Hmm.
anything nonsense, and the person, I mean, like who has already posted, he also is ready to answer very easily. Okay, then LinkedIn business page, I said, you need to create. Benefits of a business page. See, create identity for your business amongst professionals. Okay, provide updates to people, customers who matter. See, again, this is DHL. Okay,
Hmm.
everyone is aware this is the delivery
Correct.
service.
Hmm.
So why there is need of a page on LinkedIn? You
Hmm.
never
Hmm.
know. I
Hmm.
mean, like
Hmm.
any business. I mean, like if there is any e-commerce company who want to tie up with some for the shipment thing. Okay, they don't want to go with the other third party. I mean, DHL is very well known. So after
True.
looking at the companies, so I mean, like since so many years the company's been established, and the employees, how many employees are working under. So this might help provide.
So Nazreen,
Uh,
say if you're available on this all these platforms,
uh, uh, uh,
Facebook,
okay.
Insta, and LinkedIn.
Mm-hmm.
Now, so we dedicate around say 30 minutes per day on these platforms
Yes,
is good enough,
yes,
or
yes, 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 yes. Aram se. More than enough.
30 minutes is good enough, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
But then you'll have to be available at
Yes.
least to see the notifications at least. Correct.
Correct. Correct.
Uh,
Because see, what happens, Vijay, sometimes algorithm change. You
uh,
never, like, the Facebook has changed because before Meta was not there. Now
correct.
Facebook has come
Hmm.
up.
Hmm.
Google algorithm they change.
Hmm.
You will be not able to understand. I mean, like, what was it? And again, it will just recollect. I mean, see, when you be active, no, you will understand what is what.
Exactly. Correct. Hmm.
It
Hmm.
makes a lot of difference. See, I mean, this why we are being active, it's for our benefit only. It's not that it's a trend, everyone is active, so we
Hmm.
have to, but we are doing it for our benefit.
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
So that is what I mean. Like, and
So
again,
the latest updates you come to know about it
yes.
in case.
And I
Acha,
would
acha.
say ki, see, when you are active, start promoting about your business. So I mean, like talk about your business, create
Hmm.
banners or be active. If you can plan for the entire month, what you want to post on LinkedIn, what you want to post on Instagram, what you want to post on Facebook. So
Hmm.
everything is, you will understand, see, entire month you worked so and so for so and so platform. And like
Hmm.
before, how many were the followers? Now, how many are the followers? Uh,
Hmm.
am I getting comment on any of the post? Why am I not getting? Go and check your competitors. Okay,
Acha,
what
acha.
kind of
Hmm.
content they are putting, and why they are getting so many comments, and why am I not getting? So what
Hmm.
is the different content he is using, or is he giving some freebies, or is he giving offers which I'm not able to give, or I mean, maybe like my product is not up to that mark, or my packaging is defect. Are people, is the audience looking for the price, or is they looking for the quality? What is it? So you
Okay.
will make out, you need to survey everything. Okay,
Understood. Understood. Hmm.
consistency is like, see, even if you connect with followers, people will like your post, so it will be multiplying with their followers. So that is what we want.
Okay. Okay. Hmm.
So provide update to people, customers who matter, promote your product and services, find job candidates easily. Okay. Share the culture and DNA of the organization. So see, you can see on DHL everything. I mean, like about, okay, everything they have
Hmm.
posted. So even a person who is looking for, he will just go to your page and he will check all the post. Now what you have posted, what all services you do. Okay. So share helpful content, increase your searchability, connect with your target audience. So again, who might be our customers, connect with them more. My businesses benefit for who, like DHL e-commerce hai, या फिर who are into brand awareness or any product selling or anything. So they will be making connections with those people because delivery के लिए तो they'll be needing them only.
Correct.
So LinkedIn pages. Ways to promote your LinkedIn business, creating an email marketing campaign to ask your subscribers to follow you on LinkedIn. So again, social media,
अच्छा अच्छा ओके
Facebook, though nobody will be interested to come up on
हम्म
LinkedIn because the crowd is different. Okay. And
हम्म
those who are aware what is LinkedIn, so definitely they are on LinkedIn.
हम्म
So email is
ट्विटर
the
एंड
best
फेसबुक करिए
way to
ओके
then promoting your LinkedIn business page on the other social media profiles like Twitter and Facebook. You can do it, but depends. Posting regular content on LinkedIn and use relevant hashtags to widen your reach. Adding a call to action like follow us on LinkedIn button to your website. Okay, using LinkedIn ads or sponsor content to create targeted campaigns. Setting of business page. Few requirements you need to meet to be able to create a LinkedIn business page. A personal LinkedIn profile with your real first and last name. Your profile must be at least 7 days old. Okay, then only you will be getting the connections, or you will be you can send connections. If it is new, you won't get any connections. It will be at least, so the profile strength must be intermediate or all star. Several LinkedIn connections on your profile, a company website and company email. No generic emails like gmail.com. So try using your website ka hi Gmail. For example, if you have a company like, solar panel is your name of your brand. So vijay@solarpanel.com.
okay this it will not accept the Gmail domain no
Yeah, it will be the Gmail domain. I mean, like when you will have a website now, with the website domain, you get a Gmail ID free only with that.
अच्छा अच्छा oh
Okay.
but it should not be a personal email ID.
Try avoiding because
Okay
most, I mean, like B2B business, they will be like, when it is a very big organization, when they are working so internationally or nationally, so they should
हम्म
have a domain. I mean, those who
हम्म
have a page on LinkedIn now, they definitely 90% they have a website.
अच्छा
Yeah, so definitely when they have a website, they'll be having that Gmail only.
okay by default itself Gmail comes there
Yes, yes, yes.
अच्छा अच्छा okay
So listed as current employee of the company in the experience section of your LinkedIn profile. So create a company page. First log into a personal LinkedIn account, LinkedIn on work icon in the right top right corner of your dashboard. A window will pop up in the right corner. Scroll to the bottom of the window. Click on the create a company page button I showed you.
yeah
Choose what type of business you want to create. Then add all of your company information like name, website, industry, company size, and company type. Okay. Upload your company logo and write your company tagline as well. Check the box to verify that you are authorized representative of the organization. Click the create page button. Now you have a LinkedIn business page. So spruce up your LinkedIn business page. Use these tips to polish your LinkedIn business page and impress your audience. Add a cover photo. Take your LinkedIn business page to the next level. Make it look more professional by adding a cover photo. Cover photo is a large image shown at the top of your company page. Okay, जो ऊपर दिखता है बड़ा banner.
हम्म
Then write a compelling summary. Okay, when you establish, what are you
हम्म
working,
हम्म
XYZ, which will appear under overview in the about section of your business page. Here you tell people about your company, what you do. Add your location. You have branches. Where are you located? Everything, so that you can make your company and your job post easier to discover on LinkedIn. Then share regular content. You can share your existing blog post to maintain an active page, present your business as a leader in the industry, engage with followers, and drive traffic to your website. Then
okay
promote your business LinkedIn page. Promote your LinkedIn business page if you wanted to get noticed and need more followers. engage your employees on LinkedIn. Okay, ask them to add your company to their profile as a place of employment. This can help to build the credibility of your business page and tap into their existing networks. Because I mean, anyone, even anyone working in your company, I mean, ask them, because he might have more than 500 connections. So again, it
Mm.
will reach to 500 connection, because those who will reach, I mean, those who will view the profile, they will get to see the name of the brand, they will get to see the name of the company he's working with. So it will
Okay.
help, yeah,
Mm.
to build. Then good practice for your business page on LinkedIn, refresh your profile's branding, such as your background image and more. Audit the rich media of your profile to make sure they are all still relevant and active. I mean, like whatever mention you have mentioned, it is relevant. It is not like, it was just temporary. So check your website links to make sure they work. Okay. Suppose you have forgotten to renew your domain. Okay. And there is a traffic coming to your page and you're running an ad and they're going to a website and it's showing 404 error. Yeah, फिर website under construction. So that shouldn't be a issue. So make
Okay.
sure
Mm.
when you are
Understood.
adding everything, even Facebook URL you are adding or Insta URL adding, please check whether the account is on or not, whether it's working or not. Then accessing your LinkedIn connections to delete anyone who isn't relevant. You can also reconnect with those who can help you build your brand. View your activity to increase visibility and views. Again, keep monitoring. Ki last month, how many followers this month? You already get insights on LinkedIn. Ki
Mm.
how many people have viewed your profile, how many people
Correct.
have approached, how
Mm.
many connections you got. So you can keep on, monitoring, so which will help you to improve your visibility and views. Then check your company page and ensure that the new images and updates are correct. Then features and settings for LinkedIn business page. So this way did like this analytics will be shown to you. Analytic type followers. Okay. How many visitors, competitors, employer advocacy, talent brand. Okay. What are the purpose for the followers, visitors, competitors? Say new followers, 51 unique visitors, 167 post impressions. So your business page insights you get. LinkedIn pages offer page admin and paid media admin roles to follow to allow for tired levels of management for all activities related to your page. So again, we have page admins on Facebook. The same thing you have on LinkedIn also, where you're giving an authority to someone else on your behalf. So a member can have a page admin and paid media admin roles assigned at the same time. These roles can be granted to members, associated employees, and advertisers.
What is it? What is it? I didn't get this.
Which one?
This
This
member can have a page
page
admin
admin
and
and paid media admin roles assigned at the same time. Suppose it's your company, okay? Now you are assigning the admin role to me by adding my name also. For
Acha.
example,
Okay.
your name is
Mm.
already there, but you have added my name also. So suppose even I can access, I can put up content, I can delete anything. I mean, like if I want to add any images or any information about the company, I can do the editing thing also. So these roles can be
So
granted.
whatever I am doing, you will be able to.
Yes, because you have
Okay.
given me an access
Given you
right.
the authorization. Acha.
Yeah,
Okay.
because you have added me also in the admin section. So these why I mean in companies why they do it, like they assign these roles to the marketing people, they assign rule for the content creator,
Mm-hmm.
because they will also, even if they are created with the content, they will upload directly. They don't have to send it to you and then you will do it.
Mm.
Okay. So you have assigned the roles to others also. So these are all page admins. What is the role of the super admin, content admin, curator, analyst? So I mean, like you can see, for example, like suppose you are a digital marketer. So video creator is someone else, content writer is someone else, social media
Mm.
is someone else is handling, website is someone else is handling. So these are all on LinkedIn.
Right.
LinkedIn ads. LinkedIn ads is a paid marketing tool that works by offering access to professional network on LinkedIn. Okay, it utilizes sponsored posts and multiple other methods. So it is the most powerful B2B marketing tool. It offers multiple options like building leads, developing domain authority, sharing content, etc. LinkedIn ads 200 or more targeting characteristics are offered by LinkedIn ads. 13% of the world's population can be reached by LinkedIn. 33% increase in purchase intent post ad exposure on LinkedIn. I mean, like lot of traffic. Only thing is you need to understand how I should boost my product. How should I promote my services? That's it.
Correct, 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 correct.
So these are all campaign types on LinkedIn. Streamlined campaign creation based on your goals, awareness, consideration, website visit, engagement, video views, conversion में lead generation आएगा, website conversion, job applications. So these are all type of formats. Sponsored content. It is all written sponsored content only. So single image, you want carousel or video ads in the LinkedIn feed, reach a highly engaged audience in the LinkedIn news feed. So these are carousel where you can slide conversation ads, okay, event ads, then follower ads, lead generation form, message ads. So engage your audience in LinkedIn messaging wherein professional conversation happen. Lead generation form, pre-filled forms for your LinkedIn ads. Text and dynamic ads, run ads in the LinkedIn right rail. These are single job ads, spotlight ads, text ads, video ads. So these are all ad formats. So this is LinkedIn ads library from where you can check. Okay, who is your target audience? So these all will do it practically only.
Okay.
Okay, campaign. So LinkedIn budget and all. I'll show you. So LinkedIn ad bidding strategy, awareness, consideration, conversion, LinkedIn ad setup. So sign into campaign manager, choose your objective, build your target audience, choose your ad format, set your bid and budget, set up your ad creative, save your billing information. So these are all objectives of ads: website visit, awareness, engagement, video views, lead generation, website conversion, job application. So these are all LinkedIn analytics. I'll show you when we'll be doing the practical. Okay. So till here, Vijay, any questions?
No, I think I'll get used to it because this is one thing I've used it. I'm using it on a regular basis also, but now though, it's except for the job posting,
Mhm.
I was simultaneously looking for job postings also, but except for that, I haven't got into this much. So probably while doing the practical only, so
Yeah,
it's almost
I'll show
similar
you.
like your face and
Yes,
Instagram.
yes, yes.
That's
Almost
that's what
every
I can understand.
platform has
Yeah,
same.
correct.
Every
That's what I can
platform. Only
understand.
thing is when you will create a page, no, Vijay,
Exactly. Correct.
LinkedIn page. Don't, I mean, just check with the amount because mine, when I had created, it's accepting dollars only.
Acha,
So
acha. Okay,
whenever you
okay.
will do it practically,
Hmm.
I mean, that time just make sure you select INR,
Okay.
Indian currency, because
Acha,
mine
acha.
has by default it has selected dollars. So
Okay.
when if I run ad, I have to pay, as per the dollar.
Okay.
ठीक है तो you just make sure that you don't go wrong anywhere.
Okay.
So
Okay.
it's almost all the platform are same. LinkedIn, after this LinkedIn will do
Mm-hmm.
quota
Mm-hmm.
also. Okay.
Yeah.
Twitter, I'll show you whether you want to be active or you use it. It's up to you. But just in case you'll have an idea how almost all the platform has the same thing.
I know. I can understand. Yeah.
Okay. So in the
Yeah.
next session, we'll do the practical ads campaign because now it won't be, I mean, finished so early. It will
Okay.
take at least 15 minutes to complete the campaign. So it's better
Yeah.
we do it Wednesday, coming Wednesday. Let's see if anyone joins, then they can just go through the campaign. In theory part, they can go through the recording.
Sure. Okay. No problem.
Chalo then. Bye,
Yeah.
Vijay.
Bye. 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 Bye.
Take care. Have a nice weekend.
Thank you. Bye.